Hello students, myself Shipra Hara from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will revise chapter 6, that is division part 2. So in previous video of this chapter we have seen how we divide two numbers and how we can check the answer, and short division and long division method, division of a number by 10, 100 and 1000, and division when dividend and divisor end with 0. So now today we will see estimating the quotient, word problems and simplification. So students, open page number 81 in your book. Now we will start exercise 6.5. So now students, we are taking quotient. Find the estimated and actual quotient and remainder of the following. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10. So students, we are taking A part of exercise 6.5 and the A part is 78 divided by 13. So now students, we have to find the estimated quotient also and actual quotient also. So first we are finding actual quotient. So as I have told you in previous video also, here you will write 78, that is dividend, and then you will divide 78 by 13 and 13 is divisor. So 13 will write here. So now 13 6 times will get 78. Is it clear students? So now 13 6 are 78. So 6 will come here and 78 will come here. Now we have to subtract the numbers. 8 minus 8 will be 0 and 7 minus 7 will be 0. So now this is the actual quotient, that is 6. What is the actual quotient students? Actual quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. So now we will see estimated quotient. So first of all, to find the estimated quotient, we have to round off these numbers to the nearest 10. And why we are doing to the nearest 10? Because this is given in the question. We have to round off these numbers to the nearest 10. So first we'll round off this number 78. So students, as I have told you, we are doing nearest 10. So you have to observe the 0 given here. As we can see, there is only 1 0. 1 0 means we have to observe one digit only. Last digit we have to observe. And this digit is 8. And 8 is more than 5. 5 से बड़ा होता है. So whenever we are having 5 or more than 5, we have to increase this number. हम पास वाले number को एक increase कर देते हैं. So this number will become 8 and 8 here we have to put a 0. So 78 round off होके क्या बन जाएगा? 80. Is it clear students? Now we'll round off 13. 13 को round off करेंगे. Again we have to observe last digit, that is 3. Now 3 is less than 5. 3 जो है 5 से छोटा है. So we will not increase this number. इसको increase नहीं करेंगे. 1 will be as it is and 3 will become 0. So 13 round off होकर बन गया 10. और 78 राउंड ऑफ होकर बन गया 80. नाउ दीज आर न्यू नंबर्स एंड वी हैव टू डिवाइड दीज नंबर्स एंड विल फाइंड एस्टिमेटेड क्वोशिएंट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड 80 बाय 10, हम जब 80 को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे, एज वी नो 10 8s are 80 and the remainder is 0. Now 8 is the estimated quotient. Is it clear students? So in this way students, you can find the actual quotient also and estimated quotient also. Here the estimated quotient is 8 and remainder is 0. Is it clear students? First you can find the actual quotient, then by rounding off numbers you can find the estimated quotient. Now we'll see the next exercise. Exercise 6.6. So students open page number 83 in exercise 6.6. Now we'll see the word problems. So we are observing question number 7, and question number 7 is Tina works in a restaurant and earns rupees 90,475 in 5 months. 5 months में टीना कितना अर्न करती है? 90,475. Now how much does Tina earn every month? Students, every month means we have to find the earning for 1 month. हमें क्या करना है? एक month की earning find करनी है, and the earning of 5 months is given in the question. तो हमें ज़्यादा की quantity given है and we are finding for 1. So students, as I have told you in chapter 5 also, chapter 5 में multiplication कर रहे थे और हमारे पास क्या था? क्वांटिटी ऑफ 1. एक की क्वांटिटी हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन थी एंड वी वर फाइंडिंग फॉर मोर देन 1. हम एक से ज़्यादा के लिए फाइंड करते थे. तो क्वेश्चन चैप्टर 5 में हम क्या कर रहे थे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर क्वांटिटी फॉर 1 इज गिवन एंड वी आर फाइंडिंग, सॉरी, क्वांटिटी ऑफ मोर देन 1 इज गिवन एंड वी आर फाइंडिंग फॉर 1. हम 1 के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हैं, सो वी विल डिवाइड. इस क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे? इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव टू डिवाइड. हमें डिविजन करना है. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन, for finding the earning of 1 month, we have to divide the numbers. Question number 7. Tina earns in 5 months is equals to rupees 90,475. This is given in the question. Now we have to find earning of Tina in 1 month. So Tina earns in 1 month is equals to rupees 90,475 divided by 5. हमें क्या करना है? उसकी जो 5 months की earning है उसको divide करना है 5 से. Now we'll divide 90,475 by 5. So now again look here, as I have told you, dividend will come here and the dividend is 90,475 and divisor will come here, that is 5. So students, 5 ones are 5, 9 minus 5 will be 4, now 0 will come down and this will become 40 and 5 8s are 40. Now again subtraction, 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now 4 will come here. So students, as we can see, 4 is less than 5 and we are not able to divide it. So now what we have to do, we have to take one more number. हमें एक और number लेना है. And to take one more number, we have to put a 0 here. क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे? एक 0 पुट कर देंगे बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग 2 numbers. हम दोनों numbers एक साथ ले रहे हैं. That's why we have to put a 0 here. So now this will become 47. Again 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 7 minus 5 2, 4 minus 4 0. Now we'll take 5 here. And this will become 25. Now 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. Now 30 is greater than 25. So we have to take 5 times 5 5s are 25 and the remainder is 0. Students, this is the remainder, that is 0, and the quotient is 18,095 and this is the answer of this question. We were finding the earning of Tina in 1 month. हम टीना की earning find कर रहे थे 1 month की and the earning of Tina is 18,095. Is it clear students? Rupees 18,095. Therefore, Tina earns rupees 18,095 in 1 month. Is it clear students? In this way you can find the answer for 1. आप एक के लिए आंसर फाइंड कर सकते हो. So now students, open page number 84, exercise 6.7, and we are taking question number 3. And question number 3 is the cost of 4 liter milk is rupees 120. And what is the cost of 6 liter milk? So we have to find the cost of 6 liter milk, and the given quantity, the given is the cost of 4 liter milk. 4 liter milk का जो cost है वो हमें question में given है, and we have to find the cost of 6 liter milk. So students, 1 liter milk का cost ना तो question में given है ना पूछा है, but first of all we have to find the cost of 1 liter milk. And as I have told you, whenever you are finding for 1, आप जब एक के लिए find करोगे आपको क्या करना है? Divide. So now see this question on the board. Question number 3. Cost of 4 liter milk is equals to rupees 120. This is given in the question, and we have to find the cost of 6 liter milk. To find the cost of 6 liter milk, first we will find the cost of 1 liter milk. And to find the cost of 1 liter milk, we have to divide the numbers. We have to divide 120 by 4. So now see here, 120 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Now we'll subtract the numbers. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now 0 will come here. So now students, you can see we are not able to divide it anymore. So what we have to do, we have to put a 0 here and the remainder will be 0. So now the cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 30. Cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 30. Now question is asking the cost of 6 liter milk. 6 लीटर मिल्क का कॉस्ट अब हमें क्या करना है? फाइंड करना है. कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 लीटर मिल्क. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर मिल्क वी कैन सी हियर. नाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग फॉर मोर देन 1, एक से ज्यादा के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन चैप्टर 5 ऑल्सो. क्वांटिटी 1 की गिवन है, यू आर फाइंडिंग फॉर मोर देन 1, एक से ज्यादा के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हो. सो नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड 30. You have to multiply 30 by 6. So now see here, 6 into 0 will be 0, because when we multiply any number by 0, the result will be 0. And 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. So now here, cost of 6 liter milk is rupees 180. Is it clear students? So whenever you are finding for more than 1, you will multiply the numbers, and whenever you are finding for 1, एक से ज़्यादा के लिए given है and you are finding for 1, you have to divide the numbers. Is it clear students? So in this way you can solve the word problems also. Now we'll see the next topic, that is simplification of exercise 6.8. Exercise 6.8, simplification. So students, to simplify the numbers, you have to follow the rule. Now what is the rule? The rule is D M A S. Now what is the meaning of D? D means divide. M means multiply. A means addition. It means you have to add, and S means subtract. So first of all, you have to divide the numbers, then you will multiply, then you will add the numbers, and in the end you will subtract the numbers. Now we'll see this question number 1. Question number 1, C part. Question number 1, C part on page number 85, and the C part is 3600 divided by 90 multiplied by 9 plus 5 multiplied by 24 minus 120 divided by 6. So students, as we can see, divide also, multiply also, addition also and subtraction also. So first of all, what you have to do, first of all you have to divide. As we can see, divide is given here and here also. Then after divide, multiply, and then addition and then subtraction. So first of all we are dividing the numbers. So students, 3600 divided by 90. As I have told you in previous video, you can see 0 here, here also. So you can cancel the 0. Is it clear? Now the new number is 360 divided by 9. 360 divided by 9, and 9 fours are 36. 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. Now 0 will come here. We cannot divide it anymore. So we'll put 0 here and your answer is 40. So 360 divided by 9 will be 40. Now multiplied by 9 as it is, plus 5 as it is, multiplied by 24 as it is, minus. Now again we can see 120 divided by 6. So it means again we have to divide 120 by 6. So now look here, 120 by 6, 6 2s are 12, 0 will come here. Now we cannot divide it anymore, so we'll put 0 here and your answer will be 20. So 120 divided by 6 will be 20. Now after divide, what we have to do? Now we have to do multiply. So as we can see, multiply here and here also. So students, 9 into 0 will be 0 and 9 fours are 36. Now plus sign will be as it is. Now we are multiplying 24 by 5. So 5 fours are 20, 0, carry over 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 will be 12 and minus 20 will be as it is. आप जो टर्म सॉल्व कर रहे हो, जैसे हम डिवाइड सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो सिर्फ हम डिवाइड को सॉल्व करेंगे. द नेक्स्ट नंबर्स विल बी एज इट इज. सो नाउ डिवाइड वी हैव डन, मल्टीप्लाइड वी हैव डन. नाउ विल सी एडिशन. 360 plus 120. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, 6 plus 2, 8 and 3 plus 1, 4 minus 20. Now this is the simple numbers. What we have to do? Subtraction we have to do, and 480 minus 20 will be 460, and this is the final answer. Is it clear, students? So whenever you see divide also, multiply also, addition also, subtraction also, first of all you will solve divide, then multiply, then addition and then subtraction, and in this way you can simplify the numbers. Is it clear? So students, I hope you understood this chapter well. Thank you.